It starts with a single vehicle. Then suddenly, dozens of drones rise into the air, spreading out, adjusting, and moving together like one living system. This is China's newly revealed Atlas Swarm platform, where nearly 100 drones can be coordinated at once. But this isn't just about numbers. It's about intelligence at scale. How do they synchronize? What makes this possible? And why could this redefine how aerial systems operate? The real breakthrough behind the Atlas system is not the drones themselves, but how they operate collectively as a unified network. Recent 2026 reports confirm that each drone within the system is designed to continuously exchange data with others in real time, creating a shared awareness across the entire swarm. Instead of functioning as isolated units, these drones act like connected nodes in a larger system, constantly updating their position, timing, and role based on incoming data from neighboring units. This approach represents a major shift from traditional drone usage. In earlier systems, drones were either remotely controlled one by one or followed fixed pre-programmed paths. That model limited flexibility and required heavy human involvement. Atlas changes this by introducing algorithm-driven coordination, where the drones themselves participate in decision-making processes. Each drone carries onboard computing capable of handling communication and positioning, allowing it to remain functional even if direct connection to the control vehicle becomes weaker. What makes this especially significant is how the swarm maintains formation and avoids collisions without centralized micromanagement. The system relies on continuous communication between drones, enabling them to adjust spacing and direction instantly. Reports highlight that this allows the swarm to behave like a synchronized system rather than a collection of machines. This type of coordination is often compared to natural systems, like birds flying in formation or schools of fish moving together seamlessly. Another key aspect is resilience. Because the intelligence is distributed across the swarm, the system does not depend entirely on a single point of control. If one drone changes position or becomes inactive, others automatically adjust. This creates a flexible network that can continue operating under changing conditions. It's a concept similar to distributed computing, where tasks are shared across multiple nodes rather than handled by one central processor. This shift changes the definition of capability. Instead of focusing on how powerful one drone is, the focus moves to how effectively many drones can collaborate. The strength of the system comes from coordination, not individual performance. And once that level of coordination is achieved, it opens the door to scaling the system further, leading directly to the question of how such a large swarm is actually deployed and managed in real time. What makes the Atlas system stand out is how it transforms swarm intelligence into a fully operational platform. According to verified 2026 demonstrations, the system is built around a central ground vehicle, connected to a launch mechanism, capable of deploying dozens of drones in rapid succession. During testing, drones were released one after another within seconds, quickly forming an organized aerial structure. This sequence is not random. It follows a clearly defined operational workflow designed to maximize efficiency and coordination. The process begins with identifying a task or objective. Once this is defined, the system assigns roles across the swarm before launch even begins. Some drones are designated for observation, others for maintaining communication links, and others for executing specific tasks. This layered structure ensures that each drone contributes to the overall system rather than acting independently. Reports indicate that the launch order itself can be customized, allowing the system to prioritize certain drone types depending on the situation. One of the most notable capabilities is scale. The Atlas platform has been reported to coordinate up to approximately 96 drones simultaneously from a single system. Achieving this level of control requires advanced software capable of managing constant data exchange, synchronization, and real-time adjustments. This is where the system's algorithms play a crucial role, continuously analyzing inputs and redistributing tasks across the swarm. Once airborne, the drones do not rely on constant direct commands. Instead, they reorganize themselves dynamically based on shared data. If one drone changes position, others adjust accordingly to maintain formation. If environmental conditions shift, the swarm adapts its structure. This creates a self-regulating system that behaves more like a network than a traditional set of controlled devices. Another important detail is the use of communication relay drones. Some units are specifically tasked with extending the network's range, ensuring that data continues to flow smoothly across the swarm even as it spreads out. This allows the system to operate over larger areas without losing coordination. All of these elements combine to form what can be described as a real-time operating system in the sky. The vehicle on the ground initiates and supervises the process, but the swarm itself handles much of the coordination internally. This design reduces the need for constant human intervention while increasing efficiency and responsiveness. And when a single platform can deploy and manage such a complex network, it naturally leads to a bigger question. What does this mean for the future of large-scale systems and how they are designed? The importance of the Atlas system lies in the shift it represents, rather than just the technology itself. Being able to coordinate nearly 100 drones from a single platform introduces a new level of scalability that changes how aerial systems are structured. Instead of relying on multiple platforms and operators to manage large numbers of units, a single integrated system can now handle coordination at scale. This reduces logistical complexity while increasing overall efficiency. One of the most significant impacts is cost and accessibility. Smaller drones working together can achieve results that previously required larger, more complex systems. By distributing tasks across many units, the system becomes more flexible and adaptable. Reports from recent research highlight that swarm-based approaches allow multiple objectives to be handled simultaneously, with each drone contributing a specific function within the network. Adaptability is another key factor. Because the system operates as a connected network, it can respond to changes in real time. If conditions shift, the swarm reorganizes itself without needing complete reprogramming. If one part of the network is disrupted, the remaining drones continue operating using shared data. This level of resilience is becoming increasingly important as systems are expected to function in dynamic and unpredictable environments. At the same time, the technology is not without its challenges. Coordinating a large number of autonomous units requires stable communication and highly efficient algorithms. Maintaining synchronization across dozens of moving drones is complex, and external factors such as signal interference can still affect performance. Even recent reports suggest that scaling these systems reliably remains an ongoing area of development. Despite these challenges, The broader trend is clear. The Atlas system reflects a move toward distributed intelligence, where capability is spread across many units, rather than concentrated in one. This concept is already seen in other fields, such as cloud computing and satellite constellations, where networks outperform individual systems through coordination and data sharing. What makes this development stand out is how quickly it is moving from concept to real-world implementation. Atlas is not just a theoretical model, it has been demonstrated as a working system, and that signals a turning point. The focus is no longer on building more powerful individual machines, but on creating smarter, more connected systems that can operate together seamlessly. This is why the Atlas system matters. It represents a fundamental change in how technology is designed, scaled, and used, shifting the focus from individual performance to collective intelligence. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in space and advanced technologies. Your support truly makes a difference and helps this channel grow. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.